Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Olabimpe, your daily Victor, just like I said in my previous video, and I'm your kidney care nurse on YouTube. If you are new here, thanks for coming, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your loyalty. I don't take it for granted. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what your views are in the comment section. In the previous video, I already told you that this YouTube channel is all about the kidney. All we'll be talking about is the kidney. So, what we're talking about in this video is the description of the kidney. I will describe the kidney for you, the location, the size, then some basic functions of the kidney so that you will know the normal from the abnormal. So, let's get into business. Now, kidneys, like every other organ in the body, like the heart, like the lungs, they are very important organs. Kidneys are important organs. They are two. That's why I'm saying they are. But many people don't know much about it. Many people still know about the heart, they know about the lungs, they know about the liver, but many people don't know about the kidney. But the kidneys are two. In an individual, for every person, there are two kidneys, except some people that have only one kidney. That is called renal agenesis. But that is the topic for another day. In fact, those people that have only one kidney, they just discover accidentally. Maybe they just go for investigation, they discover that it's only one kidney they have. So every person have two kidneys. So this is to say that a person can live successfully and live fine on only one kidney. So I want to say that if you have friends or loved ones that have chronic kidney disease and they need renal transplantation, please donate. You can live successfully on a single kidney. In my subsequent video, I'll still be talking about renal transplantation. So that's just follow on in this channel to learn so many things about the kidney. The kidneys are two, just like I said, and in an adult it weighs about 150 to 170 grams. It's about the size of your fist, like this. That's the size of your kidney. The right kidney is a little bit lower than the left kidney because of the position of the liver. So, and the kidney is positioned retroperitoneally. It is not in the stomach. It is at the back of the stomach. It is behind. It's our back, like this. It is on either side of the spine. That is where the kidney is located. So for some people that are thinking this kidney is in the stomach, it is not. It is at the back. So sometimes when you are feeling pain, maybe you have persistent pain at your back like this, please, I will insert a picture so that you will see the location, so that you know and get to find out what really the problem is if you are not having challenge with your kidney. It's about 10 to 12 centimeter long. It's about 4 centimeter thick and about 6 centimeter broad. So like I said, it's about the size of your fist. And the basic functions of the kidney is to make urine and to purify the blood, but there are some basic processes, or I'll just highlight some functions basically of the kidney. Number one, the kidney is responsible for removal of waste. As individuals, we eat, and too many processes take place in the process of eating. The waste product of those food, or the end product of the food, protein, basically muscle breakdown, the kidney is responsible for the removal of those wastes like urea, creatinine. That is why when the person comes for kidney function tests, one of the investigations that is being carried out is checking out for the urea or creatinine. If it is elevated in the blood, that means the kidney is not functioning well. the kidney is not excreting it adequately. So one of the basic function of the kidney is removal of waste. Removal of waste. Two, the kidney is also responsible for water balance or fluid balance. What I mean by that is that the kidney maintains homeostasis. It knows the adequate amount of fluid that is needed in the body. It knows when to excrete a lot of fluid and when to retain fluid. For example, if a person is dehydrated, you discover that you not go to toilet often. Or if you had diarrhea, you've lost a lot of fluid, or you are dehydrated, or you lost blood, the person will not make urine, will not make enough urine, because the kidney is trying to retain the available fluid in the body so that the body will not lose too much fluid. So the kidney is like a regulator that helps to regulate the amount of fluid going and coming out of our body, or the amount of fluid that is in our body. Number 3, kidney is also responsible for maintenance of electrolytes or chemicals. Some people say minerals, chemicals, electrolytes. The kidney is also responsible for maintaining these electrolytes. We have electrolytes in the body like potassium, calcium, sodium, and so many electrolytes like that. So it is the kidney that is responsible for balance in these electrolytes. When there is too much, when we eat, in our food, supplements, drugs, for example, there can be too much intake of potassium. It is the kidney that eradicates it, that gets rid of it. And when there is less of this electrolyte in our body, it is the kidney that helps to retain, so that we have sufficient for the body, because all these electrolytes are needed. In fact, they are very important for us to live a healthy life, for us to have a healthy life, for us to have a healthy body, to have a healthy body system. So the kidney is also responsible for regulating this electrolyte. Okay, sorry, just like before I continue, one of the signs or symptoms to look out for in a person that the kidney is functioning well is when you see a person retaining fluid in the body. I said it is responsible for fluid balance. So when you see a person retaining fluid, maybe there is edema in the legs, puffy face, or sometimes like that, just know that the kidney is not functioning adequately. Not exclusively, but sometimes that may be the cause. But in my subsequent video, I'll be telling us, I'll be sharing with us some of the symptoms to look out for in a person with kidney damage. So I've talked about removal of waste product, maintenance of fluid balance, maintenance of electrolyte balance. Then number 4, the kidney is also responsible for the control of blood pressure. The kidney is responsible for the control of blood pressure. So in an individual, in the kidney, there is a hormone called renin. Renin is responsible for maintenance of blood pressure. This renin is secreted when there is low blood pressure. When the body senses that the pressure is low, the kidney release renin. This renin will act to maintain blood pressure. It's a long process. I don't want to bore you with that because this is not an academic lecture. It's just for us to have knowledge of what the kidney does. So kidney is also responsible for maintenance of blood pressure. That's why I used to tell people that chronic kidney disease can cause high blood pressure, and high blood pressure can cause kidney disease. It's interwoven. It's a two-way thing. So I've told us 4 things: removal of waste products, maintenance of fluid balance, maintenance of electrolyte balance, and control of blood pressure. Okay, so as I was saying, I've mentioned about 4 functions of the kidney now. The 5th one is that kidney helps to produce blood in the body. There's an hormone that the kidney release called erythropoietin. That erythropoietin is one responsible for the production of red blood cell. And we know that red blood cell is the basic composition of the blood. So when the kidney sense that, or after the expiry date of each red blood cell, this erythropoietin produces red blood cell persistently in a kidney that is healthy. That's why when you see a person with kidney disease, like I said, one of the symptoms is anemia. I'll be saying this in my subsequent video. I want you to watch out for that, look out for that video. Anemia, when you see a person persistently coming down with anemia, then you know something is probably wrong with the kidney. The kidney is responsible for the production of erythropoietin that helps to produce blood in our system, in our body. The last function I'll be talking about is that the kidney also helps to maintain strong teeth and strong bones. As we are exposed to sunlight, or as we take our food, kidney or vitamin D, we get vitamin D from food, from exposure to sunlight. We get vitamin D, but this vitamin D is always in the inactive form. So the kidney helps to convert the inactive form of vitamin D to active form of vitamin D. It is this active form of vitamin D that absorbs calcium from the food. So, and as calcium is absorbed from the food, that is when it is being utilized by the body. When vitamin D is not converted to the active form, it cannot be used by the body. So I hope you have come to understand basic functions of the kidney. I'll go over it again. Number 1, the kidney helps in the removal of waste. Because we eat, chemical processes take place in our body. Kidney helps in the removal of waste. Number 2, the kidney helps in fluid balance. It knows the right proportion of fluid to be in our body per time. Number 3, the kidney helps in electrolyte balance. It knows the right amount of electrolyte to be in our body. In fact, as a matter of fact, when the person is having kidney problem, that is why you see some people having high potassium, and those electrolytes, when they are in high level, when the levels are high in our body, it can cause a lot of damage. In fact, some electrolytes can cause, when it's high, it can cause cardiac arrest. So to know the importance of the kidney, it helps in electrolyte balance. It helps in production of renin, which helps to control blood pressure. It helps in the production of erythropoietin, which help us to have adequate blood in our body. Then it helps us to have strong bones and teeth, because it converts the inactive form of vitamin D to an active form. I do hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to explain to you or pass across my message that the kidney is a regulator. The kidney is a vital organ that we all need to guide and guard jealously, so that nothing will happen to our kidney. If you have found this video interesting, educating, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It encourages me to do more of this video. Don't forget to share. Knowledge is power. Don't forget to share with your friends so that it can be known. These are just basic knowledge that everybody should know. In fact, my YouTube channel is not meant for medical people. It is meant for just our people that are not medically inclined. So it helps us to know that this channel helps us to know that we need to understand basic things about the kidney. So please don't forget to like, share with your friends. Let everybody be knowledgeable. All I'm concerned about is knowledge. I want to create awareness about the kidney, about kidney disease, about chronic kidney disease, about healthy lifestyle to have healthy kidney. So once again, I'm Ola Bimpe. This is a Kidney Care Nurse on YouTube. see you in my next video where I'll be talking about prevention. I'll hope to catch you in my next video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.